Look at this amazing birthday flyer. Okay, look at that. And also look at this flyer for restaurants, and also this burger flyer also, and this, and also look at this one also. Everything was created using AI. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Big JohnAb. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create any type of flyer using AI for absolutely free. And guess what? One good thing I love about this method of creating flyer is the fact that you don't even need to have any skill in graphic design before you be able to do this. All you just need is for you to write a well-structured prompt, which I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to structure your prompts to create any type of flyer using AI in minutes. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, you just have to head over to your ChatGPT, okay? So we are going to be making use of ChatGPT to structure our prompt, okay? And then we use any image generator to get our design done, okay? There are two approaches in which you can use to create your design. Number one is by writing a detailed prompt yourself, and then the number two is very easy and simple, which I'm going to be showing you in this video, okay? This number one method, what you need to do is to go ahead and write a detailed prompt of, let me say I need a flyer for my restaurant business, okay? What I need to do is, how you have the picture in your head, you know how you want it to look like. You just have to go ahead and write a detailed prompt how you want it. Just describe it. You must not be a prompt engineering, okay? You just have to go ahead and describe it. This is not a prompt yet. You just need to feed ChatGPT that, oh, this is how you want it. Like if you want to create a design, or if you want to generate a flyer, you know how you want it to be, you know how you want it to be, like the color, the design, the structure, the layout, you know it, right? And the bullet point. All right, so you just have to go ahead and describe it in detail to ChatGPT, and then you take ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and help you to optimize your prompt to get a better result, okay? So with that, ChatGPT is going to help you to structure your prompt, and this is how you are going to do it, okay? Let me show you how to do that. So now I want to design a restaurant flyer. Let's say that is my first example, okay? A restaurant flyer, right? So I just have to go ahead and type in detail how I want it. Let me say create a modern premium, let me say premium restaurant. So see what I type. I say create a modern premium restaurant food menu flyer with a black background and good accent, diagonal geometric layer, realistic food photo, pizza, sandwich, a hot dog, grilled chicken, bold restaurant food menu, title, clean typography, menu, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is just me picture, like this is not a prompt actually, it's just a pre-prompt how I want it to be. If you're into AI design, all these things that I write, you understand it perfectly, okay? This is something I've been doing. So this is just a pre-prompt, it's not actually a prompt. Like I can picture how I want the design to be, so I just describe it like that to ChatGPT. So now what I need to do is to go ahead and hit OK. So ChatGPT will now act as a prompt engineer and help me to optimize my prompt. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt to get a better result. Now I'm telling ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and help me optimize this prompt, okay? Because I'm not a prompt engineer, so I just describe what I want. So now it's ChatGPT that will help me to optimize this prompt to get a better result. So go ahead and hit OK. And now this prompt is well structured than the one that I just write. See, the one that I just write myself is very small, and then ChatGPT gave me this prompt. So this one that ChatGPT gave me, now I just have to copy it and edit it to fit what I want. Maybe there's something there I don't want, I just have to remove it and then add anything that I want there. Okay, I want to edit the prompt. I know this method is kind of like complicated for some people, but this for me, if you want to get something from scratch, this is how this is the method that you can use, okay? Maybe you want to build your own flyer from scratch. This is the method that you can use without using any templates, okay? All right, so now I'm done with the editing. Okay, what I did was that I just removed something that I do not want and then add maybe anything that I want specifically. Okay, so all I need to do now is to copy it and then head over to any image generating application or software to create my design. All right, so for you to create your design, you can either use Google Nano Banana or use Wix. Okay, I'm going to be trying the both and see the one that is going to give us the best result. Okay, first let me try Google Nano Banana Pro. Okay, and I'm going to be accessing it using my flow. All right, so here we are on my flow. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and select my Google Nano Banana Pro. Okay, and then you click here to select your aspect ratio. For me, I'm going to be leaving it on portrait. Okay, because I'm generating an image. So now I just have to go ahead and paste the prompt. Okay, hit OK and then hit OK. Now let's watch and see the magic. All right, guys, so our design has been generated. Look at that. Okay, wow, guys, not bad. You see? Okay, let me see. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. This is top notch. Like, this is what I want. This is what I want, and I got it right. You see? Wow, guys, look at that. Look at the design. Look at it. Okay, look at the design now. It's a restaurant flyer. Okay, look at it. Okay, you see? All right, so now let's test this prompt on Wix and see what Wix is going to give us. Okay. All right, so here we are on Wix. Okay, let me go ahead and select my aspect ratio. Let me leave it here. All right, and then okay, let me use this. Let me use this one, and then let me go ahead and paste the prompt. Same prompt. Hit OK. Now let's watch and see. Okay, see the result from Wix. Okay, the result is not bad. Also, it's not really bad. Wow, guys, this is top notch. This is cool. Let me zoom so you see. Look at that. Okay, look at the result from Wix. Look at the result. Okay, it's very, very okay. Also, very, very nice. Okay, just like your Google Nano Banana. So Wix do not disappoint at all. Also, now look at this. Also, all right, guys, this is cool. This is nice. I love it. So go ahead and download anyone that you like. Okay, click this drop down arrow to download. Okay, to download. All right, so now let me show you the second method that you can use to easily create any type of flyer. Okay, let me show you the second method, and then we are going to be trying a birthday flyer also. But first, let me show you how to get a prompt from any design. Okay, all right, so the second method to easily get your prompt is by uploading an image reference. For example, let me say you see a particular design, or it could be thumbnail, and then you love it and you want to create something exactly like that, or maybe something related to that type of flyer. All you need to do is to go ahead and bring in the image on ChatGPT. Let me say this design that we just created, right? Let me just pick any random one. Now tell ChatGPT that, let me say this is an example. You see a particular design and you love it, right? Bring the design inside here and tell ChatGPT to help you to extract the prompt that you can use to create this exactly type of design. All right, now see I'm going to do. You see, I say study this flyer design and extract the exact prompt to generate the design. Go ahead and hit OK. So this is the simplest way to create your design. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now let's test this prompt if it is going to give us the same design, right? Now let's test it. Okay, let me first test it on Wix. Okay, let me remove this one that we just did and then paste the one that we just extract. Hit OK. Okay, look at that. You see, I think this is even more better. You see, look at this one. Give me kind of one kind design that I even like. Safe. Look at that. You see, let me zoom very well. Look at this one. You see, look at the design. It's looking very okay, very nice. Almost same thing. Look at now. Let's test it on Google Nano Banana Pro and see what you are going to get. Okay. So I'll just have to go ahead, paste it, and then hit OK. Now let's watch and see. All right, look at that. Okay, wow, guys, this is top notch. This is cool. This is nice. It's still the same thing. Okay, it gives us the same thing. In fact, even more better. Now let me show you the previous one and this one is almost the same thing. You see, and this one we just extract the prompt, and I think this one is even better. Yeah, this one is more better, I think. Now let me show you. Look at it. Okay, look at that. This is more better. I love it. I love the work. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Now let's try birthday flyer and see the result that we are going to get. All right, so this is how you can actually create a birthday flyer using AI. Okay, now what you need to do, we are going to be using the second method, which is prompt extraction, right? And also you can use the first method by just uploading the image and then type your prompt, okay, the way we just did the first method. But this one, let's just use extraction, right? So I'm going to bring in a particular image here. All right, so I just bring in the image. Now see what I'm going to type. I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I'm going to be uploading my image to create this type of flyer, this birthday flyer. Look at it. Okay, I want to create this type of birthday flyer. Okay, and I created this birthday flyer absolutely from scratch. Okay, if you check some of my video, you are going to see how I was able to create this particular one. Okay, now see what I'm going to do. I'm going to type this prompt. I want to upload. Okay, so see what I type. I say I want to upload an image and create this exact type of birthday flyer. Help me write a well-detailed prompt to create the flyer. Go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so now what I'm going to what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to extract this particular prompt. Okay, and I'm going to be uploading my own image. All right, now pay very close attention. You can actually use the same type of method, the first method that we use. Okay, you can tell ChatGPT that, oh, you want to create a birthday flyer. Okay, you want a lady to be on the birthday flyer, the date is so thing, blah blah blah. You can just give it a prompt like that. Okay, the same method. All right, but I decided to use this one. But this is the simplest way, because there are a whole lot of beautiful birthday flyer out there. You can grab one and then follow this method that I'm currently using. Okay, go ahead and copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave you, as you can see. Copy. Now we are going to be making use of Google Nano Banana to create our birthday flyer. All right, because we want to upload our image. Okay, now let's head over to our Google Nano Banana. All right, so I'll just have to go ahead and bring in the image that I want to use as my birthday image. Okay, go ahead and click this plus icon. Okay, go ahead and click upload. Okay, let me use this image. Okay, so I just bring in my image. You can crop and save, and then go ahead and paste the prompt. Okay, go ahead and paste the prompt, but I'll highly advise you to remove your image background, okay, to get a better result. Always remove your image background. Make sure it is transparent. Okay, go ahead and paste your prompt and then hit generate. Now let's watch and see the magic from Google Nano Banana. All right, so our birthday flyer has been generated. Look at that. Okay, you see? Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, you see? Wow, guys, this is cool. But what Google Nano Banana does is that it only uses the female face. Okay, it's just like a face swap. That is what it uses. Okay, it did not actually use the same the body, the clothes. Why is it like that? And that is because the prompt that we use, it has already, this particular prompt that we just used here. Okay, now remember we uploaded this image. Look at the clothes that this female put on, and the earring, the watch and everything, and the posture, right? This type of clothes, it has been described in the prompt. Okay, now pay attention. The subject is wearing a black classy dress with subtle dotted or striped patterns. Okay, now this particular description of this particular lady, that is what make the cloth to change here. Okay, that is what make the cloth to change here. You see that? And you can actually tell ChatGPT that you want the same cloth that your own image put on. Okay, maybe the image that you are going to upload, when you are going to upload that design on ChatGPT, let ChatGPT know that you are not changing the clothes, that you are still going to use the clothes that you are going to be wearing personal. Okay, so that it's not going to describe it this way. Okay, so you get the result that you want. All right. And a quick one, if you want to learn how to use AI to create a faceless content creation, if you want to learn how to use AI to create any type of design, how to use AI to build any type of responsive website, prompt engineering, and so on, I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to locate our academic link. Join our academy to learn all this stuff. So this is basically how to create any type of flyer using AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube. And don't forget to follow this account if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I'm Big JohnAb as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.